If you have watched the last video that I have posted, you might have downloaded the latest handout that I have created. It's for the Form 5 Vocabulary Test 4, which is upcoming in a few days' time. I have selected 10 items. Why have I chosen these 10 items? Because they are the headache of many Form 5 students. The change of parts of speech. For example, from a verb to a noun, or from an adjective to an adverb. If you take a look at item number 5, is obligation, is a noun. So if you have an obligation to do something, that means you think it's your responsibility to do something. If you don't do it, you will feel so uncomfortable. So sentence 5A goes like this: I have an obligation to look after her. She is my sister. But sometimes you don't use obligation. You use the adjective form, obligated. If you feel obligated to do something, that means you think you have to do it. So the tourists were led into a shop where they felt obligated to make some purchases. The tour guide was staring at you. If you didn't buy anything, you were thinking that you could not be leaving the shop. Another word I would like to talk about is item 4, permanently, which is an adverb because it ends with ly. So usually we use an adverb to modify an action. For example, sentence 4A goes like this: his lungs are permanently damaged. So most probably he has to use that breathing machine throughout his entire life. The word permanently is used to modify the action of his lungs are damaged. So ly is needed. But sometimes when you are doing the test, you do not fill in the suffix ly, you need the word permanent, which is an adjective. For example, sentence 4B, Lucy is looking for a permanent place to stay. The place is permanent, which means Lucy is not going to move about in a short while.